The next topic of discussion is skewness and kurtosis. After talking about or discussing about the mathematical expectation variance for the joint random variable in the case of discrete as well as continuous, we have learnt about calculation of variance of x, variance of y, expectation of x, expectation of y, and accordingly the covariance, that is covariance sigma xy and coefficient of correlation. Now, in some examples related to the random variable, you may be asked to calculate the skewness and kurtosis. That is called as coefficient of skewness and coefficient of kurtosis. So, what do you understand by skewness and what do we understand by kurtosis? If the distribution is not symmetric, then it is called as skewed distribution. If it is not a symmetric, means either it is more on the right hand side of the mean or on the left hand side of the mean. Appropriately, we can say that it is not symmetrically distributed. If you see in the case of variance also, this was our mu and this was considered as large variance and this was considered as the small variance. So evenly distributed agar raha, so we can say that it is symmetric. But if it is not, we say that it is a not a symmetric distribution. So in this case, if the distribution is not a symmetric, then it is called as skewed distribution. The distribution has one of its tails longer than the other, means it is shifted on one of the other side as compared to the opposite one. If mean is greater than median is greater than mode. Now see, skewness and kurtosis comes under the major caption, that is measures of central tendency and dispersion. As we are talking about the distribution, whether it is symmetric or asymmetric, this is a central tendency of measure of central tendency and dispersion में से जो है ये dispersion वाला part deal करता है. Measures of central tendency will be consisting of calculation of mean, median, and mode. What do you understand by mean? Mean is nothing but the average or the arithmetic mean for the given set of data. In statistics, these three are very, very important terms which we are dealing with the large number of data. So what do you understand by mean? Mean is nothing but the average. Suppose a set of observations is provided to you in large quantity, then in general, if you have been asked to calculate the average or the mean, this particular quantity will give you the arithmetic mean or the average. Median means exactly the midpoint, so that on the left hand side of this point and on the right hand side, equal number of observations will be recorded. So that particular point is called as median. And mode means number of time a particular observation or the frequency, what we call it as, is repeated. So that quantity is called as mode. So all these three quantities, mean, median, and mode, comes under the large heading, that is measure of central tendency. And what about dispersion? Dispersion, we are talking about the skewness and kurtosis. One of the part of the dispersion is skewness and kurtosis. वैसे बहुत सारे रहते हैं, quartile, semi quartile range, etc. But we will be restricting ourselves to the skewness as well as kurtosis. So in the case, if mean is greater than median is greater than mode, then we say that it is right or positively skewed. Figure bhi dikhega. If mode is greater than median is greater than mean, then it is said to be left or negatively skewed. See, this is mean, that is mu. Mu agar smaller hai median or mode se, then it will be, this is mean and median and mode on are on the right hand side, means mean is smaller. Mean is smaller means these are greater, so this is negatively. Here largest of all is, because as we increase here we will be getting the values accordingly. So mean is the largest value, so accordingly mode is greater than, mean is greater than median is greater than mode. This is mean mu, this is median, this is mode. So this is smaller, this is greater than this is the greatest of all. So this is on the positive side, and therefore we say that it is positively skewed. This is negatively skewed because this tail is longer. So accordingly, we say that this particular distribution, when it is not symmetric, we try to find out the skewness, which is called as skewed distribution. So there are two different terminologies: positively skewed or right skewed, left or negatively skewed. Symmetric distribution has mean equal to median equal to mode. All the three parameters are at equal place or the range. Then we say that it is symmetric distribution. What is coefficient of skewness? The measure describing the asymmetry of the distribution is called as coefficient of skewness. Skewness is nothing but not a symmetric distribution. That particular measure or calculation of asymmetry of the distribution is called as coefficient of skewness. It is denoted by alpha 3. Alpha 3 is equal to mu 3 upon sigma cube. Abhi, what is mu 3? Mu 3 is third moment about mean. It is mu 3 is the third moment about mean. Expect what is a third moment defined by expectation of x minus mu whole cube. And what is sigma? Sigma is the standard deviation. Sigma square is the variance. Positive square root of variance is nothing but the standard deviation. So skewness is denoted by coefficient of skewness is denoted by the notation alpha 3. Alpha 3 is mu 3 upon sigma cube, and accordingly mu 3 is the third moment about mean. Sigma, one sigma is known, sigma cube can be easily calculated. So sigma is the standard deviation. So in this case, we try to find out the value accordingly. So you will be asked in extension to moment, moment generating function, characteristic function, coefficient of skewness and coefficient of kurtosis. Kurtosis is denoted by alpha 4. देखते हैं उसका मतलब क्या होता है. The coefficient alpha 3 has positive or negative sign according as the distribution is skewed to the right or left. For symmetric distribution, when all the three parameters mean is equal to median is equal to mode, we say that alpha 3 is equal to 0. Positive agar rahega, तो it is on the right hand side. The symmetry is on the right hand side. If it is having negative sign, it is negative or left skewed, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं. So sign of alpha 3 will depend will conclude or will give the judgment whether how the skewness is distributed or how the symmetry is for the distribution, right, whether it is right or left. The next terminology what we are going to talk about is kurtosis. Now, what do you mean by kurtosis? If the distribution has its values concentrated near the mean, then it has a large peak. In this case, we have large kurtosis. Thus, kurtosis is the degree of pickedness of the distribution. Whenever the values are nearer to the mean or concentrated near the mean, the graph will be having very large peak, right? See, this is particularly the mean, which is mu. The values are nearer to this all mean, means it will be nothing but the large peak. All the values are lying near this particular mean. So therefore we say that if the distribution has its values near the mean, it has a large peak, and degree of this pickedness is called as the kurtosis. How to calculate the coefficient of kurtosis? Measure of degree of this pickedness of the distribution is called the coefficient of kurtosis. It is denoted by alpha 4. Alpha 4 is mu 4 upon sigma to the power 4. What is mu 4? Fourth moment about mean. What is sigma? Sigma is the standard deviation. What is mu 4 given by? Expectation of x minus mu to the power 4 upon sigma to the power 4. Suppose this is the graphical representation. This is your x, this is your f of x. This will be nearer concentrated towards the mean. So this is called as large kurtosis. This is called as small kurtosis. So accordingly, we will be talking about or discussing about the coefficient of skewness and kurtosis. Now, moment about mean can be calculated. See, while discussion of the moments about mean and moments about origin, we have seen that there is either we calculate it from the definition of the moment generating function or individual definition or with the relationship between them. Now, moment about mean. If moments about origin are known, these are the relationships, right? Mu2 dash square minus mu square is mu2, mu3, and mu4. These are nothing but the relationships what we have dealt earlier and which will be helpful for the calculation of the coefficient of skewness and kurtosis. There are some typical examples wherein we will be called to or we will be asked to calculate the coefficient of skewness and coefficient of kurtosis. So I hope these two quantities are clear. Skewed distribution will give you the coefficient of skewness, the measure describing the asymmetry. Either it will be positive or it can be negative. It is denoted by alpha 3, which is mu 3 upon sigma cube, and coefficient of kurtosis will give you the measurement for the degree of pickedness, and accordingly that coefficient of kurtosis is given by alpha 4, which is mu 4 upon sigma to the power 4. Now how to calculate mu 4? Mu 4 is nothing but sigma to the power 4 in the denominator, and um, alpha 4 is nothing but sigma to the power 4 in the denominator, and mu 4. What is definition of mu 4? Mu 4 is